We are so pleased to have the 8th Annual Virginia Legacy Run from June 19th through June 21st, 2025. Please mark this on your calendars, and this is a great cause for our veterans and children. Here we are at the riders meeting for this great event, and we want to thank Rick Seiler and all involved in this wonderful charity ride.
On the website, if you're coming with us from Springfield to South Boston, you just send in your registration to me or give it to Tom or bring it to the post. All right, so that's going to be Saturday. Your check-in, when you get to South Boston, if you're riding the National Legacy Run, the only thing you have to do is get your rider package. All of us who've been on the National Run, we know, just get your rider package, hang out, say hi to everybody. Usually they all ride breakfast, and we'll get up and head to Charlottesville for lunch, and then we're going to go to South Boston. Right now, post 16, yes sir.
Yeah, so with post 16, are y'all gonna stop by post 16?
No.
Go to
Post
South
16 is
Boston?
100% out of the picture. What do you think what do you think the fund stands for?
Come on, Randy,
I couldn't
put
hear you.
fun up there. What do you think it is?
What's the last word?
I've
Come
not
on.
seen it.
You don't know.
Randy just ain't gonna say it.
Well,
We're gonna have to go through about 6 stop lines.
Yeah.
So,
But we're looking for a good time. I'm sponsoring the meal on that night. I've got, tables coming. I've got 300 chairs coming. I've got 3 tents, 2 tents for sure.
Across Brent's Gap there and on 151 coming out from Devil's Back there.
So know the deal. We got to take a picture because I know you guys are all gonna run amok tomorrow.
when the flights are assigned, if somebody from 290 wants to ride with post 16 for some reason, starting it somewhere where we could ride in Virginia. South Boston is 9 miles.
So basically, once they get to South Boston, they're gonna take 5 over.
The people from California, Wisconsin, whatever, don't get a room because we took them.
I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Please come out for this great event and great cause. It helps a lot of families in need, children, and our veterans. This means a lot to so many people. We want to thank you, and we'll see you there. Have a great day.